guys, we got a massive thunderstorm that's going on outside, guys. It's more brighter outside. The camera might say it's a little bit dark, but it's actually light outside now. And I'll record as much. I'll record more during the day, during when it's more night outside. So far the clouds, I saw clouds now, but now I don't see any clouds. Okay, now it's starting to rain now. Oh god. Big one. Open up. So a big flash. Jesus! I heard a rumble in my room, dude. Oh my god, I feel like the entire place is gonna fall apart. Oh god, it's a big one. Oh god, I'm scared. Oh god, it's gonna make a firework. Okay, I just gotta wait for it though. Oh god, it's gonna start now. 3, 2. Oh god, it's gonna be a bad one. It's gonna be a big one. I'm scared for this one. I'm scared when it rumbles because during the nighttime, last night, I woke up in like the middle of the night to like loud thunderstorms, and when it was like booming, and it like crashing, I was like, "Come on!" And I actually went back to sleep for like 5 minutes. Here's one flash. Big one.